Yvonne, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, it's just going to be a quick tutorial on how I laid my 360 synthetic lace frontal wig. I'm going to show you the hair that I'm using. This video is not really detailed, but if you want a more detailed video, make sure you guys comment down below. For the hair that I purchased, I'll have everything in the description down below, so make sure you guys check that out. So right here, I'm just going to put the wig on and angle it to my ears to make sure that the frontal piece is ear to ear. I normally cut off the lace first before I actually glue it down, but I've seen a couple people glue it before they cut it. So that's what y'all going to see me do in this process. But yeah, and the glue that I used was the Bold Hold. You're going to see me show you guys as well. Okay guys, so now I'm just pulling my hair back to get it out the way to start this gluing process. So the first thing I did, you're gonna see me guys add 2 layers of glue, and then I'm gonna add 1 more layer just to glue it down. I add 3 layers of glue just so that the hair can last longer. Depending on what you're doing, a frontal could really last like up to 2 weeks. So yeah, you're gonna see me blow it down. It's easier to blow it with a blow dryer so that it's more faster, and yeah. And the glue that I'm using is the Bold Hold, guys. I would used to use the Got To Be glue, but when I started using the Bold Hold, I felt like it's more better for me and more quicker. Like when you use the Bold Hold and then blow dry it, is easier for the hair to lay down more. But I feel like now when I try to use Got To Be glue, like it doesn't lay down, like get everything down for me anymore. Okay guys, so after I applied that first layer, you're going to see me smear it in a little bit so that the glue can be evenly put on. Guys, I'm really no professional, but I'm really surprised how the ending results came out. So you're gonna see me blow dry for a minute, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. You want to blow dry the glue until like you see it get a little white, not too white, but a little white, and then add the second layer. So you're gonna see me blow dry for a minute. Okay guys, so now I am finally blowing drying my second down layer, and as you can see it's almost dry. So you guys are going to see me apply 1 more layer, blow dry a little bit, and then I'm going to lay the hair down. So for this process, I did say that I laid the hair down before I cut the lace off. So after I add my last layer, I'm going to blow dry it a little bit, and then I'm gonna lay the hair down, do my edges, and tie a scarf. I'm gonna actually do my makeup, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys, and the look will be finished. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how the outcome of this hair came out, and I am totally in love with it. The baby hairs laid down how I wanted it to. I'm not really a fan of baby hairs, but when I did it, I'm surprised that it actually stayed how it did. But everything you need to know about this hair will be down in the description down below, so make sure you guys check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Period.